Now in this present lecture we will discuss again trigonometric functions, of allied angle. Now in order to clear the idea of this allied angle, we will take few examples here. Just two examples I will continue, and after that we will take a next article. Next example for allied angle, here it is. Show that it is sine of pi by 15 plus sine of 4 pi by 15 minus sine of 14 pi by 15 minus sine of 11 pi by 15, it is equal to 0. Now in order to prove this result, answer is actually here 0. So 100% we have to join these values here. You have to join such values whose addition is pi or whose subtraction is pi. So remember one thing, addition of this pi by 15 and this 14 pi by 15. What should be addition here? 14 pi plus pi. It is a 15 pi upon 15 and it is equal to pi. Say this as equation number 1. Means concept is like this: when answer we want 0, then combine such angles whose sum is pi or whose difference is pi. Here sum of pi and pi by 14 pi by 15 is pi. Now sum of these two quantities, which one? It is a 4 pi by 15 plus 11 pi by 15. Answer is 15 pi by 15 and is equal to pi. Say this as equation number 2. Now problem is over here. Basic condition is take LHS and prove RHS. Basic problem is completed now. Just take LHS. It is a routine matter now. LHS, it is sine of pi by 15 plus sine of 4 pi by 15 minus sine of 14 pi by 15 minus sine of 11 pi by 15. Just proceed here. Sine of pi by 15 plus sine of, just observe here, this is a very simple question. Sine 4 pi by 15. Next one, it is minus sine of this 14 pi by 15. I can replace now. How this 14 pi by 15 replaced by? 14 pi by 15 it is replaced by this pi by 15 is shifted here. So what is 14 pi by 15 replaced by? Pi minus pi by 15. So it is a pi minus pi by 15 minus sine of this 11 pi by 15 I will replace now. How this 11 pi by 15 replaced by? This 4 pi by 15 replaced, shifted on right. So 11 pi by 15 is written as pi minus, that is 4 pi by 15. Now after this we will write now. This formula we are knowing. What is the formula for sine of pi minus theta? It is allied angle formula. It is simply sine theta. So using this formula we will rewrite this one as sine of pi by 15 plus sine of 4 pi by 15 minus sine of pi by 15. It is sine of pi minus theta, it is just sine theta. Then minus, it is sine of pi minus theta, it is just sine of 4 pi by 15. Now this sine pi by 15, sine pi by 15 get cancelled. Sine 4 by 15, sine 4 pi by 15 get cancelled, and it comes out to be 0. It is your required RHS. Remember one thing, which techniques we are using here. Techniques are like this. Answer we want here 0. Then combine such angles whose addition is pi or subtraction is pi, then is also valid. Here addition of these two angles is pi, so I have combined pi by 15 and 14 pi by 15 whose addition is pi, and 4 pi by 15 and 11 pi by. It is not the rule. First and third combined, second and fourth combined. It is not the rule. Rule is like this: combine such angles whose addition is pi or subtraction is here pi. In current problem, concept is addition is pi. In order to clear this idea, once again take second example of same type where answer is non-zero. I have taken a single example here, answer is 0. Now I will quote or I will write an example where answer is non-zero now. Just observe that problem. Second question I will write here. It is again of prove that sine square pi by 8 plus sine square 3 pi by 8 plus sine square 5 pi by 8 plus sine square 7 pi by 8, and this answer comes out to be here 2. Now in order to get this answer, just 1 minute, here it is. Basic theme is like this: answer is 0 or non-zero. Answer is here non-zero, so we have to combine like this: this pi by 8 and 5 pi by 8, 5 pi by 8 and pi by 8. If we subtract this, addition of these two is not pi by 2, but if we subtract, this is here 4 pi by 8 and it is equal to pi by 2. Now combine these two. Now these two, it is a 7 pi by 8 minus 3 pi by 8, and it is equal to 4 pi by 8. 4 pi by 8 means what? Pi by 2. Throughout all, just we have to discuss like this. Here addition or subtraction should be pi by 2. When answer is here 0, here difference or addition should be here pi. But when answer is non-zero, then we have to adjust such angles where addition or subtraction, it should be multiple of what? Pi by 2. Here I have adjusted such angles where difference is pi by 2, because answer on right hand side is 0 or non-zero. Answer on right hand side is non-zero. When suppose this answer is 0, then we have to revolve in such a situation that this answer, it is in the fashion of pi. Just continue here. Now take LHS. LHS, it is sine square pi by 8 plus sine square 3 pi by 8 plus sine square, it is a 5 pi by 8 plus sine square 7 pi by 8. Now first two quantities I will write as it is: sine square pi by 8 plus sine square 3 pi by 8. Now it is your prime duty to transfer this 5 pi by 8. Here it is sine square. Don't write this pi by 8. How this 5 pi by 8 replaced by this pi by 8 transferred on right hand side? So what is 5 pi by 8 equal to? It is a pi by 2 plus pi by 8. So we will write here pi by 2 plus pi by 8. In same way, we will write here sine square of, how this 7 pi by 8 replaced by pi by 2 plus pi by 8. It is written from where? It is written from equation 1 and 2. Now after this one, you have to remember this formula. What is the formula for sine of pi by 2 plus theta? Sine of pi by 2 plus theta, it is a second quadrant. In second quadrant, sine is positive, and here it is pi by 2, so we have to write here cos theta. Just we will quote here now. Here it is sine square pi by 8. This is a sine square 3 pi by 8. Now here it is pi by 2 plus theta, it is equal to cos theta, so it is a cos square pi by 8, and very last it is a cos square, it is pi by 2 plus pi by 8, and it is pi by 2 plus It is a 3 pi by 8. So it is cos square of 3 pi by 8. Here it is, sin square pi by 8 plus cos square pi by 8. You are knowing answer is here 1. This sin square 3 pi by 8 plus cos square 3 pi by 8. Answer is here 1, and 1 plus 1 it is 2. It is your required RHS. Now take LHS and prove RHS. It is your basic concept. From that one we have taken answer equal to 2. It is your required. I think we have completed the article. It is a trigonometric functions of allied angle. Now we have to continue for next. It is a trigonometric functions of double angle. Now we will take that article. Now trigonometric functions of double angle. Just I will write the heading here. It is a trigonometric functions of double angle. Trigonometric functions of double angle. Remember one thing, this is from addition formula actually. Double angle means this is 2a. 2a means it is your double angle. We have to operate trigonometric function. Which trigonometric function? Sine, cos and tan. So we will write like this. Which functions or which values we want in this current article? Sine 2a, cos 2a and tan 2a. Now we are having these three formulae concerning to this bit, that is a trigonometric functions of double angle. 2a means double angle, it is a trigonometric function, so heading is here trigonometric function of double angle. Trigonometric functions of double angle. Concerning to this one we are having formulae. We are having direct formulae for this one. If we want proof, I will take few proof for sake of convenience. It is sine 2a, it has first formula 2 sine a into cos a, and second formula is 2 tan a upon 1 plus tan square a. It is the formula for sine 2a. Second one it is cos 2a, but cos 2a has four formulae. First is cos square a minus sine square a. Second is 1 minus 2 sine square a. Third is 2 cos square a minus 1, and very last is 1 minus tan square a upon 1 plus tan square a. I think you are having clear one. Sin 2a having two formulae, cos 2a it has four formulae here, and last one it is a tan 2a, it has single formula. It is the third one, it is a tan 2a, and formula for tan 2a is 2 tan a upon 1 minus tan square a. These are the formulae for double angle here, sin 2a, cos 2a and tan 2a. Now if it is asked for sin 2a, then that problem can be solved by these two formulae. When problem is of cos 2a, then that problem is solved by these four formulae, and when problem is of tan 2a, then there is no confusion because tan 2a has just one formula. Sin 2a problem is solved with the help of two formulae, cos 2a is solved with the help of four formulae, and tan 2a is having only one formula. There is no confusion. Which formula we have to use? There is no confusion because tan 2a has just one formula. If we want proof of this one, how sin 2a comes out to be this one or sin 2a comes out to be this one? For sake of convenience, I will take proof of very first one. It is sin 2a. Suppose we want proof. After that we will take problem here. Sin 2a. Proof it is needful. Suppose it is needed. Can I write this as sin of a plus a? I think I can write this as, because 2a can be splitted as a plus a. Now take that addition formula list. What is the formula for sin of a plus b? Sin of a plus b, I think in previous lecture we have discussed this one, that is sin a cos b plus cos a into sin b by using this formula. When we use sin of a plus b formula for sin of a plus a is written as a and b is also written as a. So we will write like this: sin a Instead of cos b, we will write cos a. This cos a is as it is, but instead of sin b, we will write sin a, and I think it is a sin a cos a, and this is sin a cos a. How many times? 2 times sin a and cos a. This is sin a cos a, sin a cos a. It is 2 times sin a into cos a. It is your formula for which one here? It is sin 2a, and it is clear cut. Sin 2a can be written in the fashion 2 sin a into cos a. It is your first formula. If we want sin 2a in this fashion, then also we will write in same track. Right here, sin 2a. You are knowing what is the original formula for sin 2a. It is a 2 sin a into cos a. This is your first one formula. This formula arises from original formula. You are knowing this 2 sin a into cos a. What is denominator of this function? Denominator of this function, it is 1. And this formula is in 10th standard. It is sin a cos a. It is divided by this 1. 1 can be written as sin square a plus cos square a. We can write this as, or cos square a plus sin square a, one and the same. It is a cos square a plus sin square a. Now I think it is correct one. Sin 2a can be written as 2 sin a. It is sin 2a can be written as 2 sin a into cos a. Denominator is 1. 1 is replaced by cos square a plus sin square a. Now before plus, here it is what? 1. So it is your prime duty to convert this cos square a by 1, means divide numerator and denominator by cos square a. Divide numerator and denominator by cos square a. So your next situation is there. Your next step is 2 sin a cos a. It is divided by cos square a, and it is a total divided by cos square a upon cos square a plus sin square a upon cos square a. This single cos a get cancelled. This cos square a get cancelled. So numerator is 2 into sin a upon cos a, and denominator is 1 plus this sin square a upon cos square a. It is simply tan square a. So we can write sin by cos, it is tan 2 tan a upon 1 plus tan square a. I think we are getting the result. What is the formula for sin 2a? Originally it is 2 sin a cos a, but this is modified and we are getting a new modified formula for sin 2a. And what is formula for sin 2a now? Sin 2a can be written as 2 tan a upon 1 plus tan square a. So we are getting this result. What is your very first result? Sin 2a, it is 2 sin a cos a first. Second one, it is 2 tan a upon 1 plus tan square a. I have proved just one formula. After that we are having next cos 2a. It has 4 formulae. Cos square a minus sin square a. Second one is 1 minus 2 sin square a. Third one is 2 cos square a minus 1. Fourth one is 1 minus tan square a upon 1 plus tan square a. And very last, it is tan 2a. What is that third one formula? It is a tan 2a, and for tan 2a we have written it is a 2 tan a upon 1 minus tan square a. I think all these angle or all these formulae are called double angle formulae. We have written here double angle formulae because here angle is twice, 2a, and that is 2a. So all these formulae are called double angle formulae. After that we have to make this double angle as half angle formulae. Suppose if we have to convert this half angle formulae, then it is a prime duty This double angle formula we have to convert in half angle formula. It is a prime duty to replace just a by 2. Write all this formula as it is. We are getting direct half angle formula here. Means this a is replaced by a by 2. This a is replaced by a upon 2. This a is replaced by a upon 2. How this formula converts here? Just I will write the heading here. That is half angle formula. It is not necessary to prove now. Huh? Just it is your duty to replace a by a upon 2. How this formula converts? First, it is a sine 2 into a by 2. It is equal to 2 sine a by 2 into cos a by 2. It is equal to 2 tan a by 2 upon 1 plus tan square a upon 2. These two and these two get cancelled. That is, we are having very first, it is sine a is equal to, means we are having formula for half angle. Sine a is equal to 2 sine a upon 2 into cos of a upon 2. It is equal to 2 tan a upon 2 divided by 1 plus tan square a upon 2. These two formula I have written here. Now this is the original formula of cos 2a. If we replace this a by 2, a by 2, a by 2, a by 2, a by 2 and a by 2, this 2a is replaced by a. So your formula becomes here cos a is equal to cos square a by 2 minus sin square a by 2. This is 1 minus sin square a by 2. This is a cos square a by 2 minus 1. This is a tan square a by 2 and here it is tan square a by 2. This is a formula for cos a. After that it is a formula for tan a. Coming to third one, tan a I want. Now tell me what is the original formula for tan 2a. Original formula for tan 2a is 2 tan a upon 1 minus tan square a. What is your prime duty? Replace a by a upon 2. So this tan 2a is replaced by tan a and this is written 2 tan. This a is replaced by a by 2. This is plus here 1 minus tan square. This a is replaced by a by 2. Whatever I have written on the board, these are called half angle formulae. It is sin a, it is in half angle. This is cos a, it is all in half angles. And this is a tan a is in half angle. Previous formulae are double angle formulae and these formulae are half angle formulae. After that we have to continue for triple angle formulae. That is a triple angle formulae. Triple angle formulae. Triple angle formulae means which angle here? 3a. We have to find the formula for this one, but actually I will quote directly. We have to solve the problems on this one just, so I will write direct formula. Formula for sin 3a. It is 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a. This is the first formula. Second one, it is formula for cos 3a. Formula for cos 3a, it is 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. And very last, it is a tan of 3a, it is equal to 3 tan a minus tan cube a upon 1 minus 3 tan square a. These three formulae are called triple angle formulae. Here all angles are triple. Thrice a, and here it is thrice a. Proofs are very straightforward, but proofs are not needful. We have to just remember the formulae in order to solve the problem. Now in current lecture we will take few problems from your notebook, that is, or your own textbook. Question here, the very first question they have given in exercise here. few problems we will take from exercise 3.3 here. In first, find the value of first question is sin pi by 8 and second question is cos pi by 8. Now current article is double angle and triple angle formulae. Now I think these values we are knowing. Sin pi by 4 is 1 by root 2 and cos pi by 4 is 1 by root 2, and I think you are knowing what is the relation between pi by 4 and pi by 2. Pi by 4 it is double of pi by 8. Right or wrong? It's pi by 4, it is a double of pi by 8, right? 2 4s are 8, it is become pi by 4. Means relation between pi by 4 and pi by 8 is pi by 4 is twice of pi by 8. With the help of this one we will continue values for this sin pi by 8 and cos pi by 8. Very first, I think you are knowing this formula. We know that. I want formula in cos formation. What is half angle formula for cos A? It is 1 minus. I want in sin formation. It is a 2 sin square A by 2. I think this is already derived. These formulae are called half angle formulae. In this one, if we replace or put A equal to pi by 4, how this becomes here? These are important for CET also. Here it is cos of A is replaced by pi by 4. It is 1 minus 2 sin square. This 1 by 2 is as it is, and this A is replaced by pi by 4. What is the value of cos pi by 4? By root 2. It is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square. It is a pi by 8. Which value we want? Sin pi by 8. So firstly we will find 2 sin square pi by 8. This is shifted on left and 1 by root 2 is shifted on right. So what is the value of 2 sin square pi by 8? 2 sin square pi by 8 is equal to 1 minus 1 upon root 2. So 2 sin square pi by 8 is equal to, what is the LCM here? LCM is here root 2. Now just cross multiply. Root 2 into 1 it is root 2 and minus 1. So once again I will write sin square pi by 8 is equal to, now this multiplier 2 we will take in divisor, or it is in division, root 2 minus 1 upon 2 root 2. Remember one thing, it is value of sin square pi by 8, but they want sin pi by 8, means taking square root on both sides. Sin pi by 8, answer is it is the square root of root 2 minus 1 upon 2 root 2. This pi by 8 means it is quadrant, which one? It is in first quadrant, and in first quadrant sign is positive. So after taking square root I have not taken both signs, plus or minus. Answer is just plus here. It is value of sin pi by 8. Now we want second value. For that also we have to remember same formula, but it should be in cos form. We know that. What is cos A is equal to? It is a 2 cos square A by 2. I think this is in your notebook also. We have written in same lecture. That is cos A is equal to 2 cos square A by 2 minus 1. Now in same fashion put A equal to here pi by 4. This A and this A, it is replaced by pi by 4. So what should be written here? It is a cos pi by 4. It is equal to 2 cos square. This is 1 by 2. And this A is replaced by pi by 4. This minus 1 is as it is. Cos pi by 4 is 1 by root 2. It is a 2 cos square, 2 4s are 8. It is a pi by 8, and this is minus 1. Now this minus 1 replace, or it is shifted on left. What is your next equation? Next equation is here 1 by root 2 plus 1 is equal to 2 cos square pi by 8. Now this multiplier 2 will shift on left, but firstly we will take LCM. What is LCM? Root 2 cross multiply, it is 1 plus root 2 and it is equal to 2, it is cos square pi by 8. Now I want value of cos square pi by 8. Now what is value of cos square pi by 8? This 2 is multiplier. If you take on left, it becomes divisor. So it is 1 plus root 2. It is divided by 2 root 2. And from this one, if we take square root, then what is the value here? It is a cos pi by 8 is equal to, again positive square root. 1 plus root 2 can be written in the fashion root 2 plus 1 and upon 2 root 2. And from this result, we are getting value of which one? We are getting the value of cos of pi by 8. So two calculation we have done. It is sin pi by 8 and cos pi by 8 here. Just we will take next one. This question they have given, that is prove that 1 minus cos 2 theta upon 1 plus cos 2 theta. They want answer as tan square theta. Now before that we will write in this fashion. What are the original formulae for cos 2 theta? Cos 2 theta, it can be written as 2 cos square theta minus 1, or it is written in the fashion 1 minus 2 sin square theta. It is a cos 2 theta. From first, can I write 1 is replaced on left? It is 1 plus cos 2 theta is equal to what? 2 cos square theta. If 2 is taken on, 2 sin square theta is taken on left and cos 2 theta is taken on right, what is your next formula? 1 minus cos 2 theta. This cos 2 theta is taken on right and this is on left. It is a 2 sin square theta. These are most important formulae. These formulae are important for board as well as CET. These formulae are very, very important. As far as 11th or 12th is concerned, here this problem is solved by that important formulae. What is this 1 minus cos 2 theta replaced by? It is a 2 sin square theta. And how this 1 plus cos 2 theta replaced by 2 sin square theta? Now take LHS. What is LHS here? 1 minus cos 2 theta upon 1 plus cos 2 theta. What is the value of this 1 minus cos 2 theta? 1 minus cos 2, here it is. It is a 2 sin square theta. It is divided by 1 plus cos 2 theta. Here it is 2 cos square theta. 2 and 2 get cancel. Sin square theta upon cos square theta, it is tan square theta, and it is your required RHS. It is a required answer and we are getting it is as tan square x. Just I will write any number here, but just problem here. Question is again of to that here. Question is here sin 3x plus sin x into sin x plus cos 3x minus cos x multiplied by cos x and is equal to 0. These formulae are, these problems are solved by, that is addition formulae or previous, that is double angle, triple angle formulae. Any method we can use, but for sake of simplicity I will adopt that basic procedure. Now take LHS. It is sin 3x plus sin x. It is multiplied by sin x plus cos 3x minus cos x. It is multiplied by cos x. Now just thoroughly multiply sin 3x into sin x. Very next, sin x into sin x. It should be sin square x plus cos 3x into cos x. It is as it is cos 3x into cos x and minus cos square x. Now all these terms are in addition or in subtraction actually here. Here it is sin 3x plus sin x, cos 3x plus cos x. I will rearrange the terms like this. cos 3x into cos x plus sin 3x into sin x. Here it is cos 3x into cos x plus sin 3x into sin x minus cos square x, and very last it is plus sin square x. Now in order to solve this one, what is the formula for cos of a minus b? I think this formula we are knowing, cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. This is studied in previous lecture, right? It is cos of a minus b. Now same portion here, cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. So what should be formula? Cos of a minus b. A means what and b means what? A means 3x, b means x. So this formula we will write like this, cos of a minus b means 3x minus x. That last portion, this is completed now. That portion is here, minus cos square x and plus sin square x. So cos 3x minus x is simply cos 2x minus cos square x and plus sin square x. Throughout all students, I think you are knowing what is cos 2x original formula, cos square x minus sin square x. So this cos 2x is replaced by, it is replaced by cos square x minus sin square x. This as it is cos square x and plus sin square x. Just cancel this now. Cos square x get cancelled, sin square x get cancelled, and it is equal to 0. It is your required RHS. We want answer, it is equal to what? 0. Problems are very straightforward, but just we have to remember the concept from this trigonometry second, or allied angle formulae, basic formulae for compound angle. Suppose one next we will take here, that is prove that this problem it is taken here, 16 sin theta into cos theta into cos 2 theta into cos 4 theta into cos 8 theta, and question is to prove that it is sin of 16 theta, 1/6, that is 16 theta. I think proof is very straightforward and very simple. LHS, if you take 16 sin theta into cos theta, it is multiplied by cos 2 theta into cos 4 theta into cos 8 theta here. Now that 16 can be replaced by 8 into 2. This is your sin theta into cos theta into cos 2 theta into cos 4 theta into cos 8 theta. I think it is 16 replaced by 8 into 2. Now we are knowing this formula, 2 sin theta into cos theta. What should be here? It is sin of 2 theta, and remaining portion is here cos 2 theta into cos 4 theta into cos 8 theta. Once again, this sin 2 theta into cos 2 theta, this 8 is replaced by 4 into 2. It is sin 2 theta into cos 2 theta, and it is multiplied by cos 4 theta into cos of 8 theta. Now this 2 sin cos, it is replaced by sin of 4 theta. 4 is as it is, and sin of double angle it is here 4 theta into cos of 4 theta into cos of 8 theta. Once again, this 4 is replaced by 2 into 2 sin 4 theta into cos 4 theta, and it is replaced by, it is multiplied by cos of 8 theta here. Now this 2 sin, 2 is as it is, 2 sin cos, it is sin of double this one, it is 8 theta into cos of 8 theta. 8 and here it is 2, that is 2 sin theta cos theta, it is sin of double. Double means here 16 theta, and 16 theta it is your required RHS. will stop here only. In next lecture we will take next article.